Welcome to BNBpick, ladies and gentlemen, a free Binance Coin mining faucet. I have made a couple of videos about showing how to register, how to withdraw, and even a payment proof. So if you have been using the platform, you must have noticed that yesterday precisely, logging in was an issue. I don't know, maybe their domain name expired and before they could subscribe, maybe some smart ass had gone ahead to claim their name, and they needed time to sort things out or something, right? So I just tried it today and the site is back online. So if you look here, they have this service interruption compensation here. It's over the past 3 days, so it's been up to 3 days and I didn't even know. BNBpick has been experiencing continuous network attacks which cause intermittent service disruptions and affected access to our website. Our team has worked tirelessly to restore the platform and bring everything back to normal. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience and appreciate your patience and support during this challenging period. As a thank you for your understanding, we are giving all users double Faucet reward for 1 day, right? So the gift code is here. You can simply just copy this gift code. So you highlight and copy, you click on the menu here, you scroll to gift and you paste it here. You click on redeem gift and it says use the latest gift, 5% CPX research for 3 days and 5% BitLabs 3 days, right? So back to the home page and it says we have also received 10 bonus faucets, right? So now we are on the early faucet. So to toggle over and use your bonus, you click on bonus faucet here and you click on spin. Now you're getting 100% additional rewards. So whatever it is that you're winning in the spin, you're getting it by twice. This is the compensation for the service interruption. So you spin them for good 10 times. We have 2 left. And that's all. So that's our new balance. If you subtract the former balance from this, you will get how much you have amassed using the bonus stuff. All right, so that's it, guys. If you got tired of the platform due to the experience in the past 3 days, the platform is so sorry, and that's a way of compensating you. You can get those bonuses and use them. So just imagine if you're on some kind of level that could get you up to this. Imagine getting this 10 times. Come on, you're gonna be in cash. Well, so that's why the way BNBpick is back online. So go earn. So let me show you how much I've withdrawn from the platform, so you know that it's actually no joke. My last withdrawal was $1.29. The one before was $2. The one before that was $8. The other one was $38. So these are the different amounts. I've withdrawn 37. I've withdrawn 31. Right? These are the different amounts I've withdrawn from the platform. So it's still paying. Right? So that's what's up, guys. If you're not ready on BNBpick, I'll leave my invite. If you pin comment so you can jump on it, register and start earning. Thanks and go have a wonderful day. Bye bye.